breaking news from Sydney this morning. 3 adults and a child have been rushed to hospital with carbon monoxide poisoning in Sydney's west. We cross live to Jake Lyle, who's at Wentworthville. Jake, good morning to you. Now, an entire family, we understand, lucky to be alive this morning.
Yeah, good morning to you, Mon. That's certainly right. A very concerning situation unfolding here in Sydney's west this morning, and something that would be a major concern for any families trying to heat their homes throughout winter. Now, what we know so far is 4 people are right now being treated for carbon monoxide poisoning, including a 3-year-old child. It happened at around 4 a.m. this morning. That's when fire crews and paramedics were called to this unit block here in Wentworthville. And we do understand at least 3 people did lose consciousness at some stage throughout this incident, but I can tell you they are now all conscious. They have been taken to Westmead Hospital and Westmead Children's Hospital this morning, but it is something that fire crews have warned about before. We do understand the cause of this was a charcoal barbecue that was on inside the home at the time, and fire crews were warning against that again this morning.
It's very cold at the moment. It's expensive to heat your house, so people are using heaters that are cheaper and designed for outdoor use. And it is so dangerous. It doesn't seem dangerous, but you go off to sleep and the carbon monoxide is produced and it puts you into a deeper sleep. Very lucky family here.
Yeah, guys, so 3 generations of people under one home. It could have been clearly much worse, but it's a very timely reminder for everybody this winter. Mon?
It really is. All right, Jake Lyle for us in Wentworthville. Thank you.